In healthcare, onboarding new physicians is crucial yet challenging, often taking over 90 days and costing significant amounts due to inefficiencies like manual paperwork. The INRY Physician Onboarding Solution addresses this by automating and integrating processes, allowing physicians to start delivering care immediately. It offers personalized onboarding journeys, seamless departmental collaboration, and reduces credentialing and onboarding times significantly, enhancing overall patient care. Physicians can effortlessly complete onboarding tasks, receive alerts, and access all necessary information and support, all in one place. Managers can curate personalized onboarding journeys, set milestones, and provide tailored learning experiences. Streamlined departmental collaboration ensures new hires receive credentials, IT resources, hospital access, and everything needed without delays. With extensive healthcare and ServiceNow expertise, INRY delivers tailored solutions that transform the onboarding process into an efficient, exceptional, one-stop shop experience. By implementing the INRY Physician Onboarding Solution, organizations can achieve a 50% reduction in the average time required for physician credentialing, a 35% decrease in the time needed to complete credentialing verifications, and a 30% overall reduction in onboarding cycles, ensuring a focus on what matters most, providing exceptional patient care. Ready to elevate your physician onboarding process? Contact INRY to learn more.